When you take a look at the month of July, where do we get tropical development? It's somewhat similar to where we get it during the month of June. You get most of the development here in close to the United States. When you get a dip in the jet stream interacting with the Gulf of Mexico, Northwest Caribbean, or the southeast coast of the United States. But typically you don't get development where in the tropical Atlantic. And there's a reason for that. And it's mostly Saharan dust, which is widespread in the eastern Atlantic this time of the year. And what happens is when you get dry, dusty air into a developing tropical storm or even a hurricane or a tropical wave, it limits thunderstorm activity. And remember, it's the thunderstorms that really is, in a sense, the engine along with water temperatures that gets a storm developed and keeps it strong. But that Saharan dust can weaken the system. And when you have a lot of Saharan dust, which we get this time of the year, you tend not to get tropical activity. Take a look at the water vapor loop. What do you see? I see areas of dry air denoted by the yellow shading, not only in the tropical Atlantic, but right across Cuba and the Dominican Republic. And when you take a look at our Saharan dust product, watch the dry air coming eastward as we head toward the next couple of days. One area in the tropical Atlantic and another area heading toward Florida this weekend. It may look a little hazy in cities like Tampa, Orlando, and Miami as some of that drier air comes in. Now, along with the Saharan dust, the dry air, we're also going to have lots of wind shear across the tropical Atlantic. This dip in the jet stream producing those strong winds in the middle and upper part of the atmosphere. So the combination of the dry air and the wind shear means little to no development in the Atlantic basin this week.